Let's talk about how to declare source tables and reference them properly in Dataform. When you're building pipelines, you'll almost always depend on existing tables, like raw fact or dimension tables from your data warehouse. If you don't declare these tables, you're forced to hardcode the full table paths. That kills reusability, breaks the DAG, and you lose all the benefits of dependency tracking and documentation. So instead, we declare these source tables directly in the project. Now here's something cool about Dataform. You can write plain JavaScript inside your project, and that's incredibly powerful. You can use it to generate repetitive logic, build reusable patterns, or manage declarations like this. Let me show you an example. Inside our declarations.js file, we've created a list of all the source tables we want to register. Each entry has the table name, the schema, and the database it lives in. Then, we define a simple JS function, generate table declarations. All it does is loop over this list and call the declare function for each one. We set the type to declaration, pass in the schema, name, and database, and that's it. At the bottom, we call the function to execute the declarations. So now, instead of declaring each source table manually, we can scale this across dozens of tables with a few lines of clean, reusable code. Let's jump over to the DAG and see what this does. As you can see, every declared table shows up in the lineage view. Even though we didn't write any SQL, they appear as proper nodes in the graph. That's the whole point. You declare once, reuse everywhere. Now let's talk about how to actually use these declared tables inside your CQL code. I'm opening one of the models from our sales funnel report. At the bottom, you'll see how we reference other models using the ref function. The syntax is always the same. Ref table name. You wrap it in $ and curly brackets and pass the model name in quotes. This works for declared tables and for other SQLX models you've created. Dataform handles the full resolution behind the scenes. No hard-coded paths, no messy joins. It also tracks the dependency automatically and reflects it in the DAG. Here we're joining user behavior with order details, product dim, and user segments, all using clean ref calls. And this is how you keep your code base modular, traceable, and future-proof. You'll be using ref constantly. It's the backbone of model referencing in Dataform. So, to recap, use JavaScript to bulk declare source tables. Use ref to reference anything, declared tables or SQLX outputs. Let the DAG handle the dependencies. That's it for this one. Let's move on.